Hi guys, welcome back. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a new Moniepoint account with your mobile phone. So without wasting much of our time, I'm sure you are going to love it. So please, let's get started. So first of all, open the Moniepoint app and click on sign up. Then you input your phone number, the phone number you want to use to register the Moniepoint account. Then below it, you input your referral code if you have one. So once you enter the referral code, you'll be sent a verification code on the phone number you entered to register. So once you enter the registration code, you input your email address. And next, you set a 6-digit password that you'll be using to log in into your Moniepoint app. And you re-enter the password again for the second time for confirmation. So once the confirmation is done, you will see that your profile has been created and you will need to set a 4-digit transaction PIN. This is the PIN that you will use to make transactions on your Moniepoint app or USSD transactions. Whether you want to make a money transfer, purchase airtime or data, or even check your account balance. So just like before, you re-enter the PIN the second time for confirmation. This is just to ensure you are writing the correct thing. Then you click on the create PIN button. And here is a place where you select whether you want to enable your fingerprints for login. And then you see this welcome page, you are done. And you expect to input your valid national identity number, which is your NIN. Enter the 11 digits. Click on next to verify your NIN. And next you will proceed to where you capture your photo. So this is where you make a short live video of yourself. This is just to verify your face to confirm you are a real human being. Down below of your screen, you will see instructions you need to follow, like you should move closer to the camera or you should smile when needed. So ensure you follow those instructions in order not to stay long in this verification process. So once you are done, you click on yes to use this photo to proceed. And once it is done, you click on continue to start the final verification. Confirm your country and click next. And here you input a detail of your home address. And here you select whether you are politically exposed or not. Then you fill in the correct detail of your source of income. You will need to confirm your occupation and your expected annual income. And finally, you will need to cross-check the information you have filled in and click the checkbox to testify that all information provided are correct. And here you wait for your account to open. So the account number will appear here and you can copy it out. While you are waiting for your dashboard to load, you will need to activate SMS alert by clicking on proceed. And that's it. We have successfully created a new Moniepoint account. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. So this is just the easy way you can create a Moniepoint account without wasting much of your time and without taking cash out of your pocket to any agent to create an account for you. So it is something you can do on your own and it is something you can do by yourself. So thank you for watching. Please kindly let me know in the comment section if you like this kind of content so I can make more of it. Have a nice day.